Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got an unboxing for you. Now I'm really excited to see how this looks in real life. I ordered this a couple of months back, and ever since I first ordered it I just got so excited to be able to announce it to everyone, so excited to showcase it to everyone. I have mentioned it in a couple of videos, so those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you already know what this is. But let's get straight into it. I've got my knife here. Now, as many of you have commented before, this knife isn't actually that sharp, and it actually makes it a little bit more difficult to unpackage things, so it's more for show really. I need to get it sharpened. Now you probably noticed that we're back in the old setup, and that is because sometimes it's nice to go back to basics and remember how it all begun. Now this channel's only been running for around about 6 or 7 months. I think we're coming up to 7 months now, and it has grown very quickly. Now I got fairly lucky with some of my videos. Some of them got semi-viral amount of views. I think my most viewed video has like 300,000 subscribers. So I got quite lucky. I hit the algorithm with some of my videos, and that is how a lot of people discovered this channel. Now this was my original setup, and it's a very basic setup, and I have got videos on this channel showing the behind the scenes of the setup. But it's basically a light box, and it's what I made myself, and sometimes it is, like I said, nice to go back to the basics, and this still films really nice videos. The lighting's really nice, we've got the nice backdrop. The only reason I upgraded was to keep the kind of channel more exciting, but I did say before I am still going to be using this light box because this is how it all begun, and I think it looks really cool, especially when you're doing kind of close-up videos. So let's get straight into it. Like I said, I'm really excited to see how this looks in flesh. Backyard Bullion, you can obviously see, is the person that had this made for me. Well, he made it for me. Now there's actually a couple of items in here. Let's get them on here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So we have 2 items in here. Let's get this out of the way. Now this is the one that I'm really excited to show you all. Let's start with this one because this is also really cool piece. Now this is a kind of treat to myself really. As you'll see in a minute, this is a treat for a lucky winner in the future, but this is a treat for myself. Backyard Bullion has recently released his 2023 1 ounce silver bars. Absolutely gorgeous. This year he's actually put the mintage on there, so instead of just having a number, it actually tells you how many have been minted. So you can see there's 100 produced this year. Really nice piece of silver, a nice kind of poured piece of silver, something you don't have to worry about touching, you don't have to worry about putting it in a capsule. It's nice to have some of these kind of pieces in your stack that you can handle, you can play around with. It's a really nice looking hand poured silver bar. Now I believe there's still 2 of these available. If you're interested, if you head over to Backyard Bullion's website, they might have sold out. I think it was yesterday there was 2 available, so they might have already gone now. But yeah, really nice piece. I've got a couple more of these, and I've also had similar size bars produced when I did my first kind of 1,000 subscriber giveaway back in the day. So yeah, really nice looking piece. So I'll pop that over there. But like I said, this is the actual star of the show today, this one in the middle. Now, this has been a long time coming. It's only been a few weeks since I come up with the idea to have this made, but the anticipation has made it feel like it's been a lot longer. Wow, it already looks incredible. Look at that. Look at this bar. So this is a 10 ounce hand poured silver bar produced by Backyard Bullion himself. Look at the size of those hallmarks on there. Wow, that feels so good in the hand. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got this kind of hammered effect all the way around. And I had this handmade for me. You can see it says my channel name on there, 365 Days of Silver. Like I said, it's got some really nice large hallmarks at the bottom. And as you can see, this is going to be given away when this channel hits 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, really, really cool looking bar. Really, really nice bit of weight. It's a 10-ounce bar, but because it's quite compact, you can see it's quite thick. It feels heavier than a 10-ounce bar. It feels more like it's sort of, I don't know, 13 ounces or something. It just feels a lot heavier because it's more kind of in a smaller space. It's not as kind of spread out as some of the 10-ounce bars. But look at that. 10,000 subscriber giveaway, 999, fine silver, 10 ounces. Wow. What a gorgeous looking piece of silver that is. So yeah, as it says on the tin, this will be given away when this channel hits 10,000 subscribers. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do the giveaway for this bar yet. I would like it to go to a loyal subscriber, people that have been around commenting on my videos and sharing them and liking them and supporting me. I don't really want it to go to someone that's just stumbled across my channel when I do the giveaway, someone that's just searching for giveaways. It would be nice to give it to a kind of a fan that's been around for a while. So I haven't worked out how to do that yet. My last giveaway that I did for my 6,000 subscriber giveaway, that was done in a way that it was a private unlisted video. So it was only people that entered if they watched the kind of fake giveaway video all the way to the end. Because people that just kind of jumped onto the giveaway video, they thought that was it. They commented, they moved on. But it's only people that actually watched it all the way to the end knew that at the very end I said this isn't actually the giveaway video. The giveaway video is an unlisted video and the link will be in the description. So yeah, it's a different way of doing it. It was a way to kind of get rid of those people that just don't really care about precious metals, don't really care about the channel. They're just kind of floating around. Whatever the giveaway is, they're just applying, whether it be gold, whether it be a car, whether it be a book, whatever it may be, whatever channel genre it is, they're just applying for all these giveaways and then they move on. So yeah, it's nice to actually try and ensure that it goes to someone that's helped this channel grow, because that's the whole point of these giveaways, to give back to you guys that are spending your time watching my videos, commenting, supporting. It really, really means a lot. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous bar. You can see it's 10 ounces. That's a good comparison. Look, that's a 1 ounce bar next to it. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous looking piece of silver. Still got quite a long way to go. We've got about 3,000 more subscribers to go. So it's going to be a while yet. So I do get to appreciate it for a little bit longer, which is quite nice. I'm glad I got it when I did, because now I can actually feature it on a few videos and actually enjoy it until I have to find its new home. But yeah, really, really nice piece. It's a shame I'm going to give it away actually, because it's actually a really nice looking channel bar. It would look really cool in kind of the top of my videos, or kind of standing up on a stand in my other backdrop. But yeah, maybe I'll put it on the stand for now until we give it away. But look at those hallmarks. Look how big they are. They're absolutely huge. Let's compare them to the 1 ounce hallmarks. You can see the kind of normal hallmarks you get. Look how small they are. And you compare it to these. Huge. But yeah, gorgeous bar. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. As always, thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a nice day.